Vandeham Sri Guru.
Sure, you are in love with Shri Shri Radha Kichar Gopinath, Shri Jagannath Baldev Subhadra Maharani, and Shri Shri Gaur Nitai, our beautiful deities of ISKCON Toronto. But today, I'm going to take you to the DT prep room. Let's see what happens there. Wow, that's a beautiful room though. And this is our head pujari, Brahma Prabhu. So Brahma Prabhu, please tell us what happens in this room.
In this room, we make garlands. We prepare everything for next day's dressing of the deities. And in this room, we have all the deities' jewelry, crowns, outfits.
All right, so I think it's a very small, compact room for dresses, jewels, paraphernalia, garlands, everything happening here. And
Yes.
that is one of the reasons that we are looking to make over this room, renovating this room, and we are looking for your support.
Yes, thank you.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.